Hello everyone! In this short video, I will show you how to speed up your Angular apps by using route-level code splitting. For the purpose, let us look into an existing Angular CLI project that I have on the disk. Once I open the app in the browser, there is a button with label Nyan. When I click on the button, two things happen. First, the browser navigates to the Nyan path, and second, Angular renders the Nyan component on the screen. Now let us go back to the home screen of the app and open the Network tab of Chrome DevTools. Notice that when I click on the Nyan button, there is zero network activity. Nothing happens. To see why is that, let us open the root module of the app in VS Code. Notice that there we have two route declarations. Default route that renders the home component, and second, Nyan route that renders the Nyan component. In both route declarations, we specify the component directly, which means that both components will be part of the initial JavaScript bundle of the app. For small applications like this one, loading everything eagerly is usually fine. The more our project grows, however, we start downloading more and more code that the user will need eventually later on using the app. An improvement we can introduce is route-level code splitting. For the purpose, we can take advantage of the lazy route generator that Angular CLI introduced in version 8.1. The command accepts a module name, route path name, and a parent module. For example, in the console, we can type ng-generate module nyan, route with path nyan, and parent module app. When we run git diff, we can find the lazy route declaration, which uses a dynamic import to load the Nyan module. Now let us go back to the app in VS Code. Since we already have a lazy Nyan route, we can remove the eager route declaration, which renders the Nyan component. The Nyan directory contains all the newly generated files. This is the Nyan component that will be rendered when the user hits the Nyan route. Let us copy the template and the styles from the current Nyan component to the newly generated one. Now we can remove the old Nyan component. Let us go back to the app module and remove the reference to the component that we just removed. Now after we save, to see the changes that we introduce, we can type ng-serve in the console and open the browser. Notice that now, after we click on the Nyan button, the browser downloads a file before renders the Nyan cat. This is because the Nyan component is no longer part of the initial bundle. Angular will load it only when requested by the user, which will improve the initial load time of our project. You can learn more about route-level code splitting at web.dev/angular or in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching.